guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I am going to be sharing my Nykaa haul with you guys. Before going ahead with the haul, I want to put out a quick disclaimer. In no way am I promoting online shopping at this moment. Since I have to do makeup almost every day for my YouTube and my Instagram, I have kind of run out of some of my makeup products, and I kind of needed a backup for all the products that I use on a regular basis. And while I was purchasing all the new products that I got as a backup, I thought of putting in some of the things that I wanted to have, because I wanted to get all of these in one shipment. When these products were delivered to me, I did not touch them for about 2 days. I kept them in complete isolation, and only after that did I open the packages. Enough of me blabbering, now let's quickly hop on to the haul. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe, and if you enjoy watching this video, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. So this is the box that got delivered to me, and all the products that I ordered are inside it. So I'm going to quickly go one by one with all the products. I kind of have been using my Maybelline primer almost every day. That is the only pore minimizing primer that I own. So I needed a backup of a pore minimizing primer. I wanted to try something newer. For that I bought this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. I had heard a lot of good things about this primer, so I thought of giving it a go. And I heard that it does a pretty good job of minimizing your pores, so I thought of giving it a try. Another thing that I was completely running out of was makeup setting spray. Almost all my makeup setting sprays are over. I have like this much left in all of the bottles, so I really wanted to pick out something new in that, category also. So I went ahead with the Maybelline New York Lasting Fix makeup setting spray, and this is in the matte finish. Oh, I did not notice that before. I'm really not a huge fan of matte setting spray or matte look on my skin, so let's see how I like it. So this is the next product that I got. I also needed a new foundation because my Maybelline Fit Me one is completely over, and I'm currently using my True Match one and my Infallible one every day, and I don't want to get over with both of these at the same time. And I have heard quite some good reviews about this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and I have picked out the shade N260 Neutral Honey. I'm not sure about the shade, though I haven't tried it out yet. This is my first ever Lakme foundation, because to be honest I have never used Lakme foundations before, because their foundation never really attracted me. Because one, their shade range was so small, I couldn't even get a perfect match for my skin tone. And in this shade, in this range, I think they have about 15 to 16 shades. So I really wanted to try this out, and so I got this one. I have said this quite a few times in my videos that I have run out of almost all my concealers. I have a little bit left in my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have completely gotten over with the Age Rewind one. It's completely over. And for a new concealer, I went ahead with this Focallure concealer. I have never really used a Focallure product before, so I really wanted to give it a go. So I went ahead with this shade, and it's very light for me. I don't know how it's going to perform, and I think I might have made a mistake in the selection of shades. So yeah, that's that. This is one problem that I face a lot while shopping online, because you are not really sure of which shade to go for. So this is one little bummer about online shopping. I have been showing the same Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and the Super Fresh compact powder in all of my videos, and I wanted to break that monotony. So I went for this Faces Canada Wetless Stay Matte Compact Powder. It also has SPF of 20, and I got this for pretty cheap, because as you guys know, there's a huge sale that is live on Nykaa right now, and the products are so cheap. You won't believe I got this foundation for $2.99 only, and I think I got this compact powder for $150 or something, which is almost the same price of the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder. So this is how it looks. It also comes with its own puff, which I rarely use. So I really enjoy the formula of one Blue Heaven Diamond Blush that I own. It's a kind of a orangey kind of a shade. So I picked out this one online, and while I was picking this one up, in the image it looked like a very nice purpley violety kind of a shade. But in person it's a straight up hot pink. So I don't know if I will like it or not. So that's another bummer about online shopping. You sometimes do not get what you are asking for. I do not own any good affordable bronzer, so I really wanted to pick some affordable options of a bronzer, and I went ahead with this Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, and it's in the shade Ticket to Brazil. But look how it came in the packaging. It's completely shattered, and it breaks my heart to see a makeup product like this. It's completely shattered. I'm currently trying to return this, but God knows if I'll be able to return it or not, because currently Nykaa is not returning products because of this corona situation. So I really hope that I can return it, because I quite like the bronzer shade. Otherwise I'll just have to use some rubbing alcohol or acetone to fix it up, which I really do not want to, because once you pay for something, you really want it to be in shape and not shattered like this. Next up, I got this Wella Nutri Rich Deep Nourishing Mask, because I was running out of this again and I really needed this for my hair. So I got this one right here. Now coming to some of the products that I didn't really need, but I still bought them. One of them is this Nicka K Perfection Highlighter. Now there were some really interesting shades in this range. There was kind of a blue one, a purpley one, a pink one. So I went in with the pinkier version of this, because I never really owned the pink highlighter. But I will say that by the looks of it, I am not entirely impressed by it, because I don't know if you guys can tell, it looks like straight up glitter on the pan, and a highlighter is not supposed to have such chunky glitters in it, and I do not like highlighters which have these kind of a chunky glittery effect. You can see the highlighter that I am wearing right now is so smooth and does not have any chunky glitter. So we'll have to see if I like this or not. The next thing that really catched my eye was this Blue Heaven Sapphire Liquid Eyeshadow, and it's in the golden color. I really enjoy applying liquid eyeshadows on my eye, because these are really easy to apply and it's like a quicker alternative of doing your makeup. And this shade also looked very promising to me. It's a straight up golden, as you can see. It's really pretty. It's a pure gold color. So I went ahead and bought this one. The next thing that I got are two lip liners from Nykaa. These are the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Line and Fill Lip Liner. And the shades that I got are Loveboy 08. This is a red, as you can see it's color coded. And this one is 02 Pillow Fight, and this is how it looks. It's kind of a peachy nude kind of a shade. So these are the next two things that I got. And the last thing that I got is this Nykaa Gloss It Up lipstick. Oh sorry, it's not a lipstick, it's a lip gloss. And this shade is so beautiful. I really wanted to try it out. This is a very beautiful bright red. It's almost like a Marilyn Monroe red, and it's also glossy. So I'm really looking forward to trying this on my lips. So that was it for my Nykaa haul. I did not get a lot of stuff. I kind of only got things that I needed. But yes, I kind of indulged a little and got some of the things that were not needed. And by the way, I almost forgot to tell you, I am loving the look that I am wearing right now. It turned out so good. I'm so sad that I did not film this. This looks stunning. Look at the eyes. Just look at the eyes. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So let me know if you want to see a tutorial on this look or not. And also let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a specific review of any of the items that I got. I'm planning on doing a full face of first impressions because I kind of got everything that I need for a full face over here. So I think that should go up maybe next week. Enough blabbering again. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed filming it too. And until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. I love you guys. Bye.